Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
LEVOIT's LV450CH Ultrasonic Humidifier is a refreshing and revitalizing upgrade to home wellness. With its 360-degree mist nozzle and 3 humidity levels, you'll feel cool anywhere in your home. Its simple one-touch control is intuitive and easy to use. For aromatherapy, simply add your favorite essential oils to the built-in diffuser. The LV450 humidifier runs for up to 40 hours and works quietly through the night, helping to hydrate your skin and stop airborne bacteria. The ultimate 3-in-1 device, the LV450 humidifier brings health and vitality into your home. Breathe easy, knowing your health is being pampered. LEVOIT, wellness plus style actualized.
Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Honeywell warm mist humidifier running efficiently. If you recently used the humidifier, wait 20 to 30 minutes for the unit to cool before cleaning. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, remove any accessories from the humidifier, and empty the water tank. Disassemble the medicine cup by pulling it apart from the mist chimney. Next, remove the mist chimney and removable tray by gently pushing on the latch and lifting straight up. Finally, empty the base and follow these separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. To descale the unit, fill the base and water tank with 1 cup of undiluted vinegar, making sure the vinegar covers the heating element. Replace the cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure the vinegar wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with vinegar and wipe the medicine cup, mist chimney, and removable tray. These parts are also top rack dishwasher safe. After soaking, with a soft brush, gently scrub the heating element to remove mineral deposits. Next, empty the vinegar from the tank and reservoir and rinse all the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. To disinfect, use gloves when handling bleach. Mix a gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach and pour the bleach solution into the base and water tank. Replace the tank cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with the bleach solution and wipe the mist chimney, medicine cup, and removable tray. After soaking, empty the solution from the base and tank. Rinse each of the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of bleach is gone. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit HoneywellPluggedIn.com.
PureGuardian humidifiers guard against problems caused by dry air, providing soothing relief for those with cold, flu, allergies, and dry skin. The PureGuardian 10-hour humidifier uses ultrasonic technology to deliver a fine, ultra-quick mist. Unlike other humidifiers, PureGuardian uses silver clean technology to fight the growth of mold and mildew on the surface of the water tank. Small and compact, it's perfect for travel, the office, a child's room, nursery, or bedside. Variable cool mist settings and an adjustable spout make optimizing your comfort easy. Quiet operation and an on-off nightlight ensures a restful night's sleep, while a 10-hour runtime means no refills throughout the night. An easy-to-use, one-button operation is a snap. The unit automatically shuts off if the water level is too low and features an easily removable tank for quick refills. PureGuardian, creating a better home environment.
Do more than just moisturize the air in your living spaces with the LEVOIT LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. Equipped with both warm and cool mist functions, this humidifier can be used year-round to aid and relieve a variety of health problems due to dry weather. Using cool mist eases a variety of irritations that are caused by dry summer heat, including dry skin and nasal passages, uncomfortable sleep, and static electricity. Alternatively, warm mist helps relieve coughs from colds and flus. The warm mist also helps neutralize any bacteria in the air, allowing you and your family to stay healthy. By operating at quiet ultrasonic levels to disperse a fine mist, the humidifier is the perfect appliance to use while resting at home. The large 6-liter capacity also ensures up to 35 hours of continuous use, allowing you to breathe easy as you sleep into the night, and it will automatically shut off when all of the water has been diffused or when the program timer has finished counting down. The LEVOIT Hybrid Humidifier also offers a 12-hour timer, a customizable humidity setting, and an automatic humidifying mode, all of which can be set up by using the intuitive control panel. The humidifier also comes with a remote that effortlessly allows you to customize your settings. Setup is easy. Simply remove the water tank from the base, twist off the water tank cap, and fill the tank to your desired level. Place the tank back onto the base and wipe off any excess moisture. Turn on the humidifier and choose your humidity setting and program the timer. The customizable humidity setting can be programmed anywhere from 40 to 80% to set a level that is comfortable for you. There is also an automatic humidity function on the humidifier. When activated, it will sense the surrounding humidity level in the area and will add moisture to the air as needed. You can even transform this massive 6-liter humidifier into a gentle aroma diffuser by adding a few drops of essential oil into the aroma box. Cleaning the humidifier is easy. Simply remove the water tank from the base and add distilled white vinegar to both the inner chamber and water tank. Scrub all parts of the humidifier with the included cleaning brush and rinse all parts thoroughly before allowing this humidifier to completely air dry. Remove the descaling pad and rinse it under warm running water. Pat it dry with a clean, dry cloth. This process can also be repeated for the aroma pad if you have used it for essential oils. Allow all parts of the humidifier to completely dry before reassembling and storing in a cool, dry place. With both warm and cool mist functions and a variety of programmable options, you'll be able to breathe easy all throughout the year with the LEVOIT LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier in your home.
Introducing the Honeywell Mistmate Cool Mist Humidifier. Perfect for small rooms, this compact humidifier quietly releases visible cool mist for relief from dry air discomfort. Its humidity control knob allows you to customize the moisture output, while its filter-free technology and simple-to-clean tank make for easy maintenance. Enjoy relief from dry air discomfort with the Honeywell Mistmate Cool Mist Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.
PureGuardian humidifiers guard against problems caused by dry air, providing relief for those with dry skin, allergies, and cold and flu symptoms. The PureGuardian 70-hour 1-gallon cool mist humidifier uses ultrasonic technology to quickly deliver a fine, even mist. Unlike other humidifiers, PureGuardian uses silver clean technology to fight the growth of mold and mildew on the surface of the water tank. It's perfect for small to medium-sized rooms like a bedroom, office, child's room, and nursery. Variable cool mist settings and adjustable spout make optimizing your comfort easy. Soothing mist, quiet operation, and an on-off nightlight ensures a restful night's sleep. Simple controls make operation effortless. Equipped with a large, easy-fill tank, the unit runs up to 70 hours without refilling and automatically shuts off if the water level's too low. PureGuardian, creating a better home environment.
Introducing the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. This ultra-quiet humidifier produces a cool, visible mist for temporary relief from cough and congestion. Its easy built-in control dial allows you to customize the moisture level output, while the filter-free technology and large tank opening make for easy cleaning and maintenance. Plus, it accepts up to 2 Vicks VapoPads for soothing menthol vapors. The Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier returns essential moisture to the air, providing easier breathing and a more peaceful sleep. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicTshumidifiers.com.
I'm a mom, and I care about my family's health. My daughter often gets nosebleeds or a cough during the dry season. Without a humidifier, you're risking bloody noses, dry throats, even the flu. VicTsing is the noiseless, powerful, easy-to-clean humidifier that helps me protect my family against the problems of the dry season. The 2-liter tank and multiple speed settings help me control the humidity in the house. And the powerful mist output ensures that the room is comfortable within minutes. Shh! Kids don't like noises when they're sleeping. Luckily, this product is silent. Many humidifiers are difficult to clean and refill, but the VicTsing humidifier is different. The large tank mouth makes it easy to clean and disinfect, which helps me prevent bacteria growth and protect my family.